Hi guys, David here with MarineMax Miami, and I am coming to you from aboard the 2025 Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. This is a beautiful, beautiful day boat with the ability to do some overnighting. Powering this boat are the Mercury 600 V12s. On this boat, they're actually quite special because the engines are color matched to the hull. So the engines are Sea Ray blue, just like the hull is. Awesome feature on Sea Ray's part. As we make our way into the boat, you'll see we have the folding swim terrace. It comes down, it extends your entertaining space, nice use of space. You have this beautiful sun pad back here. And now, as we make our way into the cockpit, we have this beautiful L-shaped seating, which Sea Ray is very known for. They also have the Sure Shade, which means that for everybody who's sitting here, we can extend the shade on the boat and everyone can enjoy their time out on the water. We also have this teak table, which folds, so if you'd like a little more real estate with the table, we can do that. Or, if you want to put it away, it'll fold back, and it's out of your way. On this side, we have our countertop, so we have a sink, 2 Kenyan grills, and 2 fridges down below. Great, great entertainer. You can prepare food, have drinks, anything you like, you can do on the boat. It's a great, great use of space on Sea Ray's part. As we make our way further into the boat, into the cockpit, we have this nice seat here, so you can still be part of the social zone. And this companion seat here actually flips either forward or backwards, depending on how you're using the entertaining space. Another feature I really like is this sunroof here. So this sunroof just folds right back, so on a beautiful day like today, you can have all the sun and the air coming through. Now, as we make our way over to the helm, it is quite an impressive helm. You have 2 large Simrad screens at the helm. One can give you your Sea Ray screen, the other could give you your GPS or your vessel view from Mercury, which gives you all your engine data. You have 2 seats here at the helm for you and anybody else you'd like to have with you. We have our Mercury throttles, the Mercury joystick, which makes docking this boat super, super easy, our Simrad VHF, and our dynamic running surface, which are automatic trim tabs that'll adjust based on how the weight is distributed throughout the boat. Then we have some of our anchor controls here and this beautiful steering wheel. Let's make our way towards the bow. So here you join me at the bow. What a great place to be. You have 3 beautiful loungers across, seats further forward, and what you can do is have a table right here. So with this table, you can make either a big sun pad, you can sit around it and eat, you can use the space however you really want to. It is a great, great use of space. At the very end of the bow, we have our windlass anchor. You have your anchor locker, and we actually have a spotlight right here, which you can control from a little knob at the helm, so you can point it at markers, signs, anything like that when you're running at night. The last thing I'd like to show you guys is the cabin down below. It's a great, great and beautiful space to hang out overnight. It's air conditioned with a generator, and it actually has a wet head so you can shower. But come on, let's check it out. All right, guys, now you join me in the cabin of the 400 SLX. And what a nice place it is to be. You have a fridge down here, a microwave, TV with a sound bar, and this V-berth right here can actually convert into a sleeping pad. So this table folds out. It'll actually drop down, and you have a cushion here so you can sleep 2. Down below, you can sleep another 2 as well in the aft berth. And what I love is all the natural light that comes through this cabin, from the skylight in the ceiling to the windows on the sides. You have speakers here. And lastly, you actually have a wet head in here. So you can shower, use the bathroom, and it's spacious, it's tall. It really is a nice use of space. Guys, this is the 2025 Sea Ray 400 SLX. It's been a pleasure walking you through the boat. Come check it out at MarineMax Miami. I'd love to show it to you, and I look forward to seeing you. Take care.